ADA coin cost could flood to a limit of 71 cents toward the finish of 2023. Voltaire is supposed to be the last phase of Cardano network for it to turn into a self-supporting organization. Cardano cost with a flood could accomplish the $4 mark by 2030, with a possible high of $4.10 for the year. The year 2009 was a fundamental year for the crypto business, as it changed the future of the fintech business for eternity. This is fundamentally on the grounds that the year had a place with the crude digital currency Bitcoin. Pushing ahead to 2015, the year additionally had a place with the biggest altcoin Ethereum in the chain, which has been persevering with its turns of events, ADA Cardano. The Cardano network is effectively delegated as perhaps of the most adaptable framework on the planet monetary gathering. The organization has been quick advancing to be the principal peer-assessed and perfectly adaptable chain. In the meantime, the worth of the local symbolic ADA coin cost remained vigorously depleted, being unimpacted generally. Is Cardano dead? As indicated by examiners, Cardano ADA cost for 2023 could go from 47 cents to 71 cents. Voltaire is supposed to be the last phase of Cardano network for it to turn into a self-supporting organization. After this, the organization members will have the entrance of their stake and furthermore have casting a ballot rights, which will impact the future improvement of the organization. Cardano is a proof-of-stake blockchain stage, first to be established on peer-assessed research and created through proof-based techniques by the organization. It joins cutting-edge innovations to give unrivaled security and supportability to decentralized applications, frameworks, and social orders. What is Cardano? The Cardano network is likewise the world's very first companion-audited decentralized blockchain arrangement, which flaunts ADA as local digital currency drives that convention. It was made by ex-Ethereum Prime supporter Charles Hoskinson and was sent off in September 2017. The altcoin has a stockpile breaking point of 45 billion tokens. Cardano cost expectation 2023. Hydra is the following impending redesign of Cardano for Layer 2 versatility arrangement. It's basically plans to speed up through low idleness and high throughput, which additionally offers limited exchange cost. It will further develop the organization's security and increment its abilities higher than ever. Hydra offers expanded throughput, limited dormancy, and cost-effective arrangements. The cost of Cardano cost has not seen a positive cost activity following the Hydra declaration, as the value keeps on declining continually. This is supposed to be a great time for merchants and financial backers, as the cost of this crypto is low and has a high expected before very long. A consistent grade and unmistakable quality is basic for Cardano coin, as the outcomes will ultimately ponder ADA's cost. In such a hopeful situation, we anticipate that the ADA coin cost should reach as high as 71 cents. On the disadvantage, assuming things win for the bears, the altcoin's cost could land at 47 cents. Progressively, a harmony in the trading tensions could land the typical cost at 55 cents. ADA coin value expectation 2024. Diffees and Cardano's developing strength in the area could become basic for Cardano. Besides, the raising count of designers would assist with enhancing the arranged drives of the organization, wherefore ADA cost could move to a limit of 99 cents toward the finish of 2024. Be that as it may, assuming the more extensive market goes over a potential monetary emergency or administrative bottlenecks, the Cardano cost could drop to 75 cents. That being said, the customary cost could settle at 83 cents. Cardano value forecast 2025 toward the finish of 2025. Assuming the convention carries out its open democratic framework, the organization could lose specific merchants, gambling with the cost to plunge close 92 cents. In any case, taking into account enhancements in bug anticipation frameworks, the cost might cruise in normal figures close $1.06, assuming Cardano ADA effectively hails off certain activities, coordinated efforts, and new updates and shrewd agreements. The ADA cost could strike a limit of $1.26 toward the finish of 2025. Cardano gauge 2026, as indicated by our investigators. ADA coin cost for the year 2026 could go between $1.10 to $1.59, and the typical cost of Cardano could be around $1.34. ADA value expectation 2027, as per our experts. Cardano cost for the year 2027 could go between $1.56 to $1.98, and the typical cost of ADA could be around $1.75. Cardano expectation 2028, as indicated by our experts. ADA forecast for the year 2028 could go between $1.93 to $2.32, and the typical cost of Cardano could be around $2.16. ADA coin cost expectations 2029, as indicated by our examiners. Cardano estimate for the year 2029 could run between $2.35 to $3.02, and the typical cost of ADA could be around $2.67. Cardano Value Expectation 2030. As per our examiners, ADA cost expectations for the year 2030 could run between $2.99 to $4.10, and the typical cost of Cardano could be around $3.52. Cardano Value Expectation Guess. ADA Cardano value keeps on zeroing and on traveling from a creating organization to a created one. All things considered, we will find the convention expanding on its client base with a flood of more current clients. Once more, this could help the value forecast of ADA to raise its bar to 71 cents toward the finish of 2023. Be that as it may, assuming that negative insights torment ADA coin cost projection while the organization is still a work in progress, the bears could immediately jump all over the chance and control the year-end value focus to levels around 47 cents. Principal examination. The blockchain is divided into two layers, specifically the Cardano settlement layer and Cardano computational layer. The CSL animates the shared exchanges inside the organization utilizing the Ouroboros system, and the Savvy contract component is taken over by the CCL layer, permitting a consistent movement in the two sections. Despite the fact that Cardano utilizes a POS calculation, it utilizes a mind-boggling rendition named Ouroboros POS. Ouroboros, in contrast to customary POS, makes time slots called an age. Every age has a space chief picked by different hubs in the opening. These pioneers complete block creation in every age, and every pioneer has an opportunity to make it happen. This lessens blockage and builds TPS. Verifiable Value Opinions 2017 to 2022. Cardano's group raised more than $63 million during its ICO. The market capitalization developed to more than $600 million by the 1st of October 2017. By the 29th of November, the altcoin shot up more than 142.4%, taking its market capitalization to $3.58. In the absolute first month of the year 2018, the altcoin's cost hit an ATH of $1.16. Nonetheless, falling into a negative snare, the cost descended to 4 cents before the year's over. ADA cost had initiated the year on a bullish note and figured out how to hit $0. The 5th of January 9th, heading on a downtrend. The value slipped to 3 cents on February 6th, however figured out how to hit 10 cents on April 3rd. After a pullback to 5 cents and dull endeavors, ADA cost hit 11 cents on the 26th of June. Pursuing delayed negative directions, ADA cost tracked down help at 3 cents in December. Cardano had started the year at 3 cents and rose to 6 cents by mid-February. However, amazingly tumbled to 2 cents in spring. Heavy lashes brought the cost down from 15 cents to 7 cents by September end. The exchange for 2020 was put to an end at 17 cents. The year had started on a bullish note, wherein the altcoin hit another ATH of $2.40. The market decline in May hauled the cost from $2 to $1.48. ADA cost hit another ATH of $3.08 in the period of August. Q4 was negative for Cardano as it lost more than half in valuation to end the year at $1.10.